Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Clientology Daily Insights. My name is Jeff Bourgeois, and today I'm proud to share that we have our Clientology growth system. And the first step is creating your own authority book, and that's the first step in our 8-week intensive program. You can learn more about taking the guided course by visiting this link or scanning the QR code below. Now, if you're watching this before June 30th, 2022, the investment in this course, we're relaunching, we're initiating it. The investment is $497. If you're watching it after July 1st or July 1st and beyond, we've returned it to our regular price of $5,000. So today I want to share a concept about key strategic partners. And the number one thing I get from people is, yes, I understand I need key strategic partners. I understand I need to build authentic relationships with them, but how do I do it? And so in this short little video, I just want to share 12 steps that we use to engage our key strategic partners. And you can take this away and you can use it on your own. So the number one thing, I am a huge fan of LinkedIn. I believe it is a great tool. And so I like to connect with people on LinkedIn. And that just allows me to keep in touch with them, and LinkedIn notifies me of things. Now, for the record, I'm not spamming people. I'm not trying to connect with as many people as possible. What I'm doing simply is I'm looking for the right connections, and I want to connect with my key strategic partners, and I want to find ways to connect them with others. The second thing I like to do is I want to get really clear on who their dream client is. So this is based on The Go Giver by Bob Burg, John David Mann. We want to give before we ask. We want to earn referrals. So the best way I know, and just a simple way to keep in touch is, just reach out to somebody and say, hey, are you still serving professionals in Atlanta? Whatever it is. So you want to clarify who they serve, who their dream client is. The third step is to make introductions. So if I know somebody in my network, and preferably you start with your other key strategic partners. So the quick win is you can introduce all of your key strategic partners to one another. You win because you're the center of that network, but they all win because they now have other strategic partners to make referrals to them. So introductions to key strategic partners is huge. The next level is to introduce them to actual people who might become their dream clients, but start with introducing them to your key strategic partner network, because that gives you a reason to be in touch with multiple key strategic partners at once. Now, step 4 is, if you host webinars, which I hope you do, or seminars in person, invite your key strategic partners to participate. You can invite them to participate as a guest, or you can invite them to participate as a presenter. Either way, you add value to them. But if you invite them to participate as a presenter, you also add value to your network, because they're getting the benefit of meeting your key strategic partner and learning from them. Step 5 is to host and invite your key strategic partners to networking events. Now, this doesn't have to be onerous. It doesn't have to be big and formal like some of the other networking groups out there. I host a weekly Zoom networking event where I invite my key strategic partners. I invite them to get to know one another. And basically, it's just a really powerful way. It's the most important hour of my week, because I'm meeting with a whole bunch of people. I'm in front of them. I'm staying on top of it. And I'm leveraged because it's not taking me one-on-one time. I'm not going out for coffee or lunches with people. And if you do in-person networking, one of the things I would say is never go alone and never have lunch alone. My little lunch secret is, if you're going to lunch with a potential strategic partner or an existing one, each of you should bring a guest, so that in total there's 4 of you, so you all get to meet new people. Step 6, and this is important, you've been giving, giving, giving. Now it's time to start receiving. You want to educate your strategic partners on who your dream client is. So, who do you serve? Who do you want to work with? How do you help them? Number 7, you want to acknowledge life changes. If they change jobs, if they got married, if they had a big event, just reach out to them and say, hey, congratulations, or hey, I'm sorry that happened. Step 8, you want to celebrate their birthday, just send them a card or wish them well on their birthday. A handwritten card goes a long way. Number 9, if you see some content out there, an article, a podcast, a webinar that they would be excited about, share it with them. Number 10, seek feedback. If you've made introductions, reach out and say, hey, how did it go? Was that a good introduction or not? Now, step 11 is you want to request introductions. So you might see their network on LinkedIn, you might see they're connected to somebody. It's okay at this point to reach out and say, would you be comfortable introducing me to that person? Let them say yes or no and respect that. And the most important one is step 12, expressing gratitude. If somebody makes an introduction that improves your life or somehow makes your business better, send them a handwritten thank you card, send them a little gift or acknowledgement, something they'll think of you every time they see it. So that's our 12-step key strategic partner engagement plan. I hope it helps you with your networking. Good luck.